We're back again. Found some more street art. This is in Braddon. This is near where we're staying. We'll walk around the street here, see what we can find. We'll start with this massive one. We're right across the road. Some Chinese dragons. Probably Japanese. People will know. It's on the front of the local taco place. Taco Boy. Nothing to do with street art. This is the shortest Macca's sign I've ever seen. The Macca's drive-through is like a tunnel. Comes over there. The Vinnie's here has a street art on the side with the hashtag Vinnie's Braddon. This one's also still impressive. It's down an alleyway near where we are. Kookaburra. Was the most famous garden in Australia for a week. We had Barnaby Joyce fell over drunk. We've got the Braddon Rainbow Roundabout. It all lights up rainbow colours at night time, that pole. It's on the side of the Bent Spray Brewery. The time of the brewery, Bent Spray Brewing up in the corner there. Old French restaurant. It was a nice ad ball in this one here. It was $9.25. Another one on a place called On Lonsdale. I was shooting outside coffee. I was shooting on something down here before. Some little tags and names, but up the top here. Good. This is pretty cool. It's a street bike repair station. Got your pump, place to sit your bike, got your tools hanging off there. Even Telstra around here's getting into it. So next door, that's the sun's not on issues, but it's pretty cool. So the other side of Tolsha's yard, as far as in this gate I want to go. That one's impressive scale. This is the Mandalay bus. It's like in the park here. Some sort of food truck. Obviously it's not open Tuesdays. I have seen cars here before with it being open. It's pretty cool though. It's an old Leyland. The other side's pretty cool too. I assume by Eddie. Been tagged a bit, but this human box has been done at some stage. There's a, I think this was just been tagged. Yeah, maybe. It's the other side of the Telstra building. It's been tagged out there a bit, but this whole wall has some pretty cool pictures on it. Old school monitors having a fight, it's pretty good. Lawrence Tan Designs, that one. WL. Got that Sorrowism down there. Yeah, it's like a old school Telstra exchange. Got the bull. Google 22, so it's lasted pretty good. Pretty cool, got eagle. Some vents. This one here. AA Music and Hoondocker. There's another one on a fairly new building. I've also done the electrical box here. It's been tagged a little bit. Building hasn't. Oh, headed into this door. It's live. And into this side. But I've done the ones that face the other mirror. Adds the overall effect. Part where we started is the back of that French restaurant. There's nothing super exciting at this side. No, he's tagging. So let's wait a bit effort over there. And across the way is that big. We were where we started at. Missed Tony the pot rat earlier. And yeah, we are back where we started. There's a big mural there in the car park in Braddon. So if you like this video, I might try to do some more of these when we get back home. There's some good areas in Newcastle. There's some cool murals on the walls. So make sure if you want to see more of that, to like the video, make some comments, share it with people you think might like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, we'll catch you next time.